Welcome to Luxury Life, your ultimate destination for exclusive insights into the world of luxury, style, and opulence. In today's episode, we're taking you on a thrilling ride through the vibrant streets of Miami, a city that's not only famous for its stunning beaches, dynamic nightlife, and rich cultural heritage, but also for its jaw-dropping collection of luxury cars. Miami's streets are like a living auto show that displays the finest machines ever created. So buckle up and get ready because Luxury Life is about to take you on an unforgettable journey through the best cars you'll see cruising around Miami City. 1. Lamborghini Aventador. Kicking off our list at number 1 is the Lamborghini Aventador, a car that's nothing short of a legend. When it comes to making a statement, few cars do it better than the Aventador. This supercar is a favorite among Miami's elite, and it's not hard to see why. The Aventador is powered by a monstrous 6.5-liter V12 engine that delivers a jaw-dropping 730 horsepower. Whether you're cruising down Ocean Drive or pulling up to one of Miami's luxury hotels, the Lamborghini Aventador is guaranteed to turn heads and make an unforgettable impression. 2. Ferrari 488 Spider. Next up on our list is the Ferrari 488 Spider, a car that perfectly embodies the free-spirited and glamorous lifestyle of Miami. The Ferrari brand is synonymous with high performance and timeless beauty, and the 488 Spider is a testament to this legacy. With its retractable hardtop, the 488 Spider is ideal for enjoying Miami's sunny weather while driving along the scenic coastlines. Under the hood, it features a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces an exhilarating 661 horsepower, making it one of the fastest convertibles on the market. Driving a Ferrari 488 Spider in Miami is more than just transportation. It's an experience that embodies the thrill of the open road and the allure of luxury. 3. Rolls-Royce Ghost. At number 3, we have the Rolls-Royce Ghost, a car that epitomizes luxury, sophistication, and elegance. For those who prefer a more refined and comfortable ride, the Rolls-Royce Ghost is the ultimate choice. This British masterpiece is a common sight in the upscale neighborhoods of Miami, where it glides silently and effortlessly down the streets. The Ghost is powered by a 6.6-liter V12 engine that delivers a smooth and powerful ride, making it perfect for navigating Miami's busy city streets in style. 4. Porsche 911 Turbo S. At number 4, we have the Porsche 911 Turbo S, a car that seamlessly blends high performance with timeless style. The Porsche 911 Turbo S is an icon in the automotive world, and it's a car that perfectly fits the Miami lifestyle. Known for its distinctive design and legendary engineering, the 911 Turbo S is a car that commands respect wherever it goes. It features a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine that produces a formidable 640 horsepower, allowing it to reach a top speed of 205 miles per hour. Whether you're heading to a high-end restaurant or just taking a leisurely drive along the coast, this car is sure to impress anyone who sees it. 5. Tesla Model S Plaid. At number 5, we have the Tesla Model S Plaid, a car that represents the future of driving. Miami is a city that embraces innovation and cutting-edge technology, and the Tesla Model S Plaid is a car that perfectly reflects this forward-thinking spirit. The Model S Plaid is one of the fastest electric cars in the world, with a mind-blowing 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 1.99 seconds. It's powered by 3 electric motors that produce a combined 1,020 horsepower, making it a force to be reckoned with on the streets of Miami. In addition to its incredible performance, the Tesla Model S Plaid also offers a sleek and modern design, with a minimalist interior that features a massive touchscreen display, advanced autopilot capabilities, and luxurious seating. 6. Mercedes-AMG G63. At number 6, we have the Mercedes-AMG G63, a car that combines luxury with rugged capability, making it a popular choice among Miami's wealthy residents. The G63, often affectionately referred to as the G-Wagon, is an iconic SUV that has become a status symbol around the world. Powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces 577 horsepower, the G63 can tackle any terrain with ease, whether it's the sandy beaches or the bustling city streets of Miami. Despite its off-road capabilities, the G63 is equally at home in an urban environment, where its boxy design, luxurious interior, and imposing presence make it a standout vehicle. 7. Bentley Continental GT. At number 7, we have the Bentley Continental GT, a car that exudes class, sophistication, and unmatched craftsmanship. The Bentley Continental GT is a grand tourer that has captured the hearts of luxury car enthusiasts around the world. Powered by a 6.0-liter W12 engine that produces 626 horsepower, the Continental GT offers a driving experience that is both powerful and refined. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, delivering a smooth and exhilarating ride that is perfect for Miami's upscale atmosphere. The design of the Continental GT is a perfect blend of modernity and tradition, featuring a sleek exterior and a sumptuous interior, filled with the finest materials. In Miami, the Bentley Continental GT is a symbol of success, often seen parked outside luxury hotels, high-end boutiques, and exclusive events. 8. McLaren 720S. At number 8, we have the McLaren 720S, a car that embodies the spirit of innovation, performance, and pure driving excitement. McLaren is a brand that is synonymous with Formula One racing, and the 720S brings that racing pedigree to the streets of Miami. The 720S is known for its futuristic design, with its aerodynamic shape, dihedral doors that open upwards, and lightweight construction that ensures maximum speed and agility. Inside, the McLaren 720S offers a driver-focused cockpit that is packed with cutting-edge technology, ensuring that every drive is an unforgettable experience. This car is a common sight at Miami's car shows, track events, and among the city's car enthusiasts who appreciate its blend of performance and innovation. 9. Aston Martin DB11. At number 9, we have the Aston Martin DB11, a car that combines British elegance with exhilarating performance, making it a favorite among Miami's luxury car lovers. The Aston Martin brand has long been associated with James Bond, and the DB11 lives up to that legendary status. In Miami, the Aston Martin DB11 is a symbol of sophistication, style, and a love for driving. Whether you're cruising along the coast or attending a high-profile event, the DB11 is sure to make a lasting impression. 10. Bugatti Chiron. Last but certainly not least, at number 10, we have the Bugatti Chiron, a car that stands in a class of its own. The Bugatti Chiron is the epitome of automotive excellence, combining incredible speed with unparalleled luxury. This hypercar is powered by an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged DV16 engine that produces a staggering 1,479 horsepower, allowing it to reach a top speed of 261 miles per hour. The Chiron's design is a masterpiece, with its aerodynamic curves, luxurious interior, and attention to detail that is second to none. In Miami, the Bugatti Chiron is the ultimate status symbol, often seen at exclusive events, luxury hotels, and among the city's most affluent residents.